All right, so I bought one of the anti-snoring mouthpieces, and I'm going to fit it and see what it's like. Okay. Oop. Okay. 1, 2, 3. So I have hot water, cold water, and then there we go. Okay. This thing is big. Okay, I'm gonna try to fit it a couple more times. Okay, so the concept behind the mouth guard is that it brings your lower jaw forward so you can not snore, but that is so much. I mean, it's like full top teeth and bottom teeth, and it goes all the way to like the middle of my row of teeth. All right. You have to go hot water, cold water for just a few seconds, and then fit again. Let's try this again. This might not be for me. Oh my God. Surely I would get used to it. Or not. I don't know. I might have to try the breathing tape. Oh my God. Or just one of those like straps that goes around your head to like hold your lower jaw up. All right, I'm gonna try this one more time, and then I'm gonna tell Joe Rogan that he might have steered me wrong, okay? Or he's got a massive mouth that can hold this, but either that or maybe I need to see if they've got a different size. Oh, nope, nope, All right, this thing is massive. It literally does feel like I'm about to go play hockey. That's a top and a bottom, and there's like slits in it. Nope, 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 I can't do it. If anybody has a better one of these, that it's just less would be great, okay? Hook a sister up because I do want my jaw to stay up and I do want to stop snoring, but this is not the answer for me.